Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 10th English Workshop of 2.3 The Twins by Henry Sam Lake. Marathi translation also. Before starting, subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon to get notification of new video. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks got taking me for him and each for one another. या ठिकाणी फॉर्म अँड फीचर म्हणजे दिसण्यातला सारखेपणा, त्याचप्रमाणे टेकिंगचा अर्थ मिस्टेक म्हणजे चूक असा आहे. आपण आता पाहूया त्यांच्या दिसण्यामध्ये, चेहऱ्यामध्ये, सर्व अवयवामध्ये मी माझ्या भावाप्रमाणेच वाढलो आणि त्यामुळे लोक मी समजून त्याला आणि तो समजून मला घ्यायचे. इट पझल्ड ऑल आवर Keith and Cain. It reached a fearful pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. Keith and Cain म्हणजे आपले रिलेटिव्ज, पाहुणे. पिचचा अर्थ या ठिकाणी हाईट किंवा लेवल, जो गोंधळ झालेला होता त्याची उंची. त्या दोघांच्या सारखेपणामुळे सर्व पाहुण्यांमध्ये देखील खूपच जास्त प्रमाणात गोंधळ झालेला होता. दोघांपैकी एकाने जुळा म्हणून जन्म घेतला, पण नेमका जुळा म्हणून जन्म कोणी घेतला हे कुणालाच माहीत नव्हते, आमच्या दोघांच्या आत्म्याला सुद्धा. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. एके दिवशी तर खूपच वाईट घडले. आमची नावं ठरलेली होती आणि नामकरण सोहळ्याच्या आधी नर्सने आम्हाला आंघोळीसाठी नेले आणि त्यावेळेस आम्ही दोघेही एकत्र मिसळलो. अँड दस यू सी बाय फेट्स डिक्री or rather nurse whim, my brother John got Christian me and I got Christian him. अचानकचपणे आंघोळीला नेल्यानंतर त्या नर्सच्या डोक्यामध्ये काय बदल झाला देव जाणे, पण त्यामुळे आम्ही बदलले गेलो आणि माझे नाव माझ्या भावाला आणि भावाचे नाव हे मला देण्यात आले. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged for John turned out a fool. आणि हा सारखेपणा वरचेवर घातकच ठरत गेला. ज्यावेळेस मी शाळेत जाऊ लागलो त्यावेळेस जॉनच्या मूर्खपणामुळे नेहमी मलाच शिक्षा मिळायची. आय पुट दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रुटलेसली टू एव्हरीवन आय न्यू. व्हॉट वुड यू डू इफ यू वेअर मी टू प्रूव्ह दॅट यू वेअर यू. मग मी निरर्थकपणे सर्वांना प्रश्न विचारतो की माझ्या जागेवर जर तुम्ही असता तर स्वतःला सिद्ध करण्यासाठी काय केले असते. Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. आमचा हा दिसण्यातला सारखेपणामुळे जीवनामध्ये खूप वेगवेगळी परिस्थिती येत गेली आणि मला ज्या मुलीसोबत लग्न करायचे होते ती माझ्या भावाची पत्नी बनली. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. वर्षानुवर्षे अशाच आमच्या जीवनामध्ये हास्यास्पद चुका होत राहिल्या आणि शेवटी जेव्हा मी मेलो, मी वारलो, त्यावेळेस शेजारी आले आणि माझ्या भावालाच त्यांनी पुरले. ह्या कवितेमध्ये लेखकांनी हायपरबोल म्हणजेच अतिशयोक्ती अलंकाराचा वापर केलेला आहे. समजली ना कविता? मग सुरुवात करूया आता वर्कशॉपला. क्वेश्चन 1. Rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. 1. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. 2. At the naming ceremony, wrong names given to the two twin brothers. 3. He got beaten up, often at school. 4. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. 5. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. 6. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Question 2. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twin which are too absurd and senseless to believe. 1. The people began mistaking one for the other. 2. The speaker's brother got the name John, intended for the speaker. 3. The speaker's intended bride became his brother's wife. 4. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Question 3a. Complete the wave diagram. Poet uses humor to create laughter, makes reader happy, creates mood, reduce boredom, have a sense of humor, and entertain readers. B. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. 1. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. 2. When I died, my neighbors came and buried brother John. Question 4. Pick out lines that contain alliteration. In the form and feature, face and limb. 2. As we were being washed by a nurse. 3. It puzzled all our kith and kin. 4. One day, to make the matter worse. In alliteration, same sound is repeated. In first sentence, F is repeated, that means 4. 2. W is repeated. In 3, K is repeated. In 4th, M is repeated. Pun. I grew so like my brother, too, that folks got taking me for him. Hyperbole. 1. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. 2. My brother John got Christian me, and I got Christian him. 3. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. This whole poem is hyperbole, especially last 2 lines. Question 5. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. 1. Form and feature. 2. Face and limb. 3. Fearful pitch. 4. Take for. 5. Domestic life. 6. Turn the tide. Question 6. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title. Problems of Twins. Right from birth, Henry and his brother John were similar in form and feature. The resemblance was so close that people began mistaking one from the other. This confusion reached a very high level. It was certain that one of them was born a twin, but no one knew for which one of them was it. Due to the nurse mistake, the narrator's brothers got the name John intended for the narrator. The narrator says that the likeness had very bad and serious effects. At school, the narrator was usually punished for the mistakes made by his brother. The narrator pleaded with everyone he knew, from family to his friends, what they would do if they were him, prove his own identity. Even though narrator's domestic life was affected by this close resemblance, the girl he intended to marry became his brother's wife. When the narrator died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John, mistaking him for the narrator himself. Question 7. Write an appreciation of the poem with reference to all points. 1. Title. The title of poem is The Twins. It is a very simple title. We can easily guess that the poem is about twins. 2. Poet. The name of poet is Henry Sambrook Lake. 3. Theme. The central idea of poem is the problem faced by one of the twins. The problem is so exaggerated that it creates a humorous effect. 4. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AB AB CD CD. 5. Figure of speech, alliteration and hyperbole. 6. Special features. This poem is light-hearted and uses humor to emphasize the point. It has 4 paragraphs. Each paragraph have 8 lines. There is good use of figure of speech by author. 7. Favorite lines. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried my brother John. 8. Why I like the poem. I like the poem for its humor. I also like the poem because the poet balances the exaggeration with a seemingly convincing logic.
So friends, thanks for watching this video.